Um, Kamal, hey, that part.
I have recently bought a new house. John, this part. Under the blue line.
Okay. Okay. I have recently bought a new house, so I want to buy a few decoration pieces. Okay. Okay. Recently. May Hallwich, uh, Gahar, Lan, C,
Hmm.
May Hallwich, Gahar, Lan, C.
मैं
Is it
हाल विच नवा घर लिया सी. New house नवा घर लिया सी.
May Hallwich, Nui, Gahar, Lea, C.
Hmm. Good, well done.
Okay. So I want to buy a few decorations.
Yeah.
Uh, so is Hor,
Ta. So means ta.
Ta, Ta, May, um, uh, Sajavat. Yeah.
Hmm. So ta मैं.
A few,
Hmm.
like
Few means थोड़ा. सजावट.
Ta, May, Tora,
Hmm.
Sajavat,
Yeah, perfect.
um,
लेना.
Lana,
Want.
Chonda,
Yeah, perfect. Yes. चौंदा. Yeah.
Ta, May, Tora, Sajawat, Lana, Chonda.
Yes.
Okay. Congratulations on buying a new house. Uh, Mabarka, um, Nui, Gahar, uh, Lana, uh, Lacey,
Hmm. So, मुबारका नवा घर लैंड लैंड
Lanley, C.
not C.
Okay,
Yeah.
just Lanley.
Yes.
Mabarka, Nawe, Gahar, Lanley.
Excellent. Perfect.
Okay. Um, we have a beautiful, we have beautiful handicrafts here, and I hope you find something you like. See,
So we have means sate coal. Our
Sadi,
yeah sate coal.
cool. Okay.
Yeah, good.
Um, uh, Sona, no, beautiful. Sunda,
Sona.
um,
Sona. Sona.
Sadi, cool. Sona,
Hmm.
uh, it was handicrafts. Duskari,
Hmm.
Sadikol, Sona, Duskari,
Ah. ਸਾਡੇ
uh,
ਕੋਲ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਦਸਤਕਾਰੀ ਆ
Zakari, uh, uh, Ite, here, Ite,
ਹੂੰ
V, uh, May, um, May, to see, um, um, Koj, yeah, V, May, to see, Koj, find, I hope you find something you like.
ਹੂੰ
Hope,
ਹੋਪ ਉਮੀਦ ਉਮੀਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ
Umid,
yeah
okay, Manu Mead,
hmm. Find means love so I hope ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ first
Manu Mead, Koj,
then you second place
to see,
hmm.
Koj,
Hmm.
Slav,
Yeah, perfect love
is it Lub?
hmm. Love loge
Lub, low key.
hmm. Yeah, gay
Okay. Uh, Sadi Kul Sona Duskari,
hmm.
uh, Ite
Hmm.
V, Menu,
Hmm.
Umid, to see Koj, Lub, Loge.
Okay, good, nice.
Menu Umid, I hope. Okay.
Hmm.
To see Koj, Lob, Loge.
Hmm.
Okay. Um, I have heard a lot about the beautiful artistic quality of Kashmiri handicrafts. Uh, May, um, what is it? A lot? A lot?
Hmm. Both. Lot means both.
May, boat.
Hmm.
Okay. May, boat.
Yeah, good. Heard means sunaya.
Sonia.
Hmm.
May boat. Sonia.
Hmm. Kashmiri handicraft. So
Okay.
about Kashmiri handicraft. So
About was
के बारे
के बारे.
so मैं बहुत सुनया कश्मीरी हैंडीक्राफ्ट बारे.
Okay. May bought Sonia
Hmm.
uh, Kashmiri Duskari Kebari.
Hmm. Yeah, good.
Okay. Could you please show me a few things? Um, Key to see,
Hmm. Yeah.
like May, uh, Deco.
Hmm. दिखाओ.
Okay. Um, yeah, a few. Shay.
कुछ few means also some
Could
or few. कुछ.
key to see May, De or Could Shay, Deco.
Hmm. So just make it more simple. Show me few things. So we start from few things. कुछ चीज़ें दिखाओ. मैनू कुछ चीज़ें दिखाओ. Me means menu. So मैनू कुछ चीज़ें दिखाओ.
Jeza. Menu Code Jeza.
Hmm. Oh, sorry, not चीज़ें. Share. Share. It's share.
Okay.
As such.
Menu Code Shay.
Yeah. दिखाओ.
Jizo.
Not चीज़ों. Just share is enough.
Menu Code Shay, Deco.
Yeah. Yes.
Menu Code Shay, Deco. Okay.
Hmm. Nice.
Certainly. Yep. Ja Rule. Take a look at this Kashmiri carpet. Okay, Ja Rule. Um, um, Pashmini Clean Deco. Yeah. Ja Rule. Uh, Kashmiri Clean
Hmm.
A. No. A. Kashmiri Clean Deco. Or
Perfect. Yeah.
Vague. Vaco.
Yeah. Both are good. देखो और देखो. No
Okay.
problem. That's good. Perfect.
Okay. What a beautiful thing, carpet. Okay. Uh, Ik. Uh, Sona. Or Sunda. Clean. Ki. Sunda. Clean. Okay.
Hmm.
I like it very much. Is that a pashmina woolen shawl over there?
Hmm.
Okay. Men- a menu boat pasand. Uh,
Yeah, good.
a ek pashmini shawl
Hmm.
uh, over there. I think I have that in my notes somewhere.
Ki o pashmini shala. Is that a
Ki
pashmini shawl?
okay. Ki
Hmm.
o
Hmm.
pashmini shawl.
Ah,
Uh, okay. Amazing. Like shabash.
yeah, yes.
How did you recognize it
Hmm.
from so far away? Okay. Um, uh, how like Kyo? No. Kive. Uh, a Janana um, boat doer. What is
Hmm.
how?
Hmm. Kiwe.
Kive.
Hmm.
Um,
And then you to see.
Kive to see a
Yeah.
um,
Janaya.
boat. Janaya
Hmm.
boat doer.
बहुत दूर ਤੋਂ. So from means ਤੋਂ. बहुत दूर ਤੋਂ. It's like to to ਤੋਂ ਤੋਂ. ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਤੋਂ.